few more preparations, that is from acid chloride. We know that acid chloride is RCOCl. We are going to react it with alkyl cadmium. So when you do it, what happens, this is 2R here, 1R gets attached here and it becomes RCOR and we get a cadmium chloride. Next is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Again here we are going to react an aromatic ring with a benzene, that is with RCOCl in presence of aluminium chloride. This groups actually get attached here and it becomes a mixed ketone. As you can see, it is a mixed ketone. This is ArCOOR and with that you get HCl. So this is again a reaction which H is replaced by RCO group, right. Next is Ethers reaction. Ethers reaction where you have toluene, you are going to react with chromyl chloride in presence of CS2. So when you do it, we get an intermediate this kind, like we have the CH attached with this compound, that is OCROHCl2 twice, and you know that when we react with the hydronium ion, it actually gets break and form an aldehyde. Last is Rosenmund reduction. Again here we have a acyl chloride, we are carrying out the reduction in presence of palladium BSO4. So when we do it, it actually forms CHO group here and it gets liberated as HCl. So these are the complete preparation of the aldehyde and ketones. First is the acyl chloride. I think it's clear we are going to react with the dialkyl cadmium. So R is going to react with this group and we are going to get a cadmium chloride. Friedel-Crafts acylation, again you are going to react with COCl group, but here it is actually a method when you can prepare the mixed ketone. And third is in toluene, we are going to react with chromyl chloride, we get an intermediate which finally on treating with hydronium ion turns into a benzaldehyde. And Rosenmund reduction, again we have the benzoyl chloride, we are going to carry out the reduction in presence of palladium BSO4 and it is going to convert into an aldehyde, right. So we cannot, and there is one limitation of this, we cannot prepare formaldehyde with this method. We cannot prepare formaldehyde because here HCOCl is highly unstable. So we cannot take that. So these are the preparations of aldehyde and ketones. So now we are going to start with the physical properties. I think you have got it with the preparation. So just do this kind of thing like Friedel-Crafts acylation, Rosenmund, Ethers reduction. So like all the name reactions are very important. Just make a chart of all the name reactions, try to practice them, right.